At the core of magnificence and grandeur, a name that shines most is Beautex. We are the pioneers in buildings and interior industry with bespoke solutions in flooring, cladding, doors and system windows. Since inception in 1963, we have grown strength to strength, power to power, and emerged as a reputed brand to reckon with. The company has shown phenomenal growth and versatility by engaging in different businesses and spearheading its journey throughout with zeal and excellence. Trusted by coveted names like INS Vikrant, Reliance Group, Sahara Ambi Valley, Della Adventure Park, and Marriott Hotels, among others. A brand with a global presence, the company is credited with flawlessly designed homes, offices, and buildings. Whether it's flooring, cladding, doors and windows, our products cut above the rest and are known for uniqueness and authentic quality. An architect's dream come true. Our extensive range of flooring solutions bring just about everything under one roof. Exterior cladding and facade systems by Beautex are an architect's delight, which provide the perfect tools to inspire and build unique structures. With over 50 years of experience as a quality craftsman, doors and system windows by Beautex have three priorities: performance, durability, and safety. A wide range of over 700 finishes and colors highlights the individuality of each project design. For the ever-evolving industry and the taste of modern architects, Team Beautex continues to take up every challenge that comes our way.